Yep. So today, Carson and I are at Whiteface Mountain. It's all the ski trails and stuff. We're gonna go up and take what they call a cloud spitter gondola ride up to the top. And for those who aren't familiar, Whiteface is where the Olympics had their downhill skiing. So it's pretty impressive. But let's go. We'll see how this goes. Okay, so if you want to sit here and you can watch going up, but we're in the gondolas. Here comes one coming down.
That nobody's in.
And all of a sudden we shoot up the mountain.
Whoa.
We are now at 1,220 feet above sea level. Okay, some cool things about this, right? This is where the Olympic ski races and stuff were done. And I mean, they've got the gondola that goes all the way up to the top. They got the chairlift over here. And back in 2000, I think, they had the Goodwill games were here, and my college snowshoe team came over, and that's Paul Smith, and did a snowshoe racing demonstration, and then a bunch of us volunteered and to help out, and right there was where they built the half pipe for the snowboards. I think it was right there. So I got to help be an official for the Goodwill Games for the snowboards. By being an official, basically I got to stand next to one of the TV cameras and just keep amuse the crowd and just watch from real close. So it pays to volunteer. I think I got a nice fleece vest out of it. See me wearing a red vest, that might be it.
I'm a little scared of heights.
See, there's a reason this is called the Cloud Splitter Gondola. I don't know if you can see it, but we are just entering the clouds, and we still got a ways to go to get up to the top.
Yep. And when we started is all the way down there.
Yep.
So far down. You can't even see it anymore.
I don't know, Carson. Have you ever been in a cloud before?
Why?
Now you can say you've been in a cloud.
Whoa!
Reach out and you can touch the cloud.
I can't.
Hey. Is it fluffy?
I can't feel it.
Okay, we just got off the lift and we're at 3,652 feet. The bottom of the lift said we were at 1,220 feet. We are definitely in a cloud. Well, I guess, seeing how there's not much of a view right now, we're gonna head back down and see if I can get a couple of shots with the river. And I just want to wander around just a little more up here.
Because I'll just freeze to death.
So you can maybe see the cars down on the road there, and the river is right next to the road.
You're gonna have to wait a few minutes till we get there.
And I like the view once we get out of the clouds of the mountains. Okay, so today Lake Placid was a total disaster. There's no way we could have got to check that place out. But we are at the cone here. I can't remember where this is, but it's right across from Tail of the Pup. halfway between Saranac Lake and Lake Placid. So again, it's soft serve, and we'll see how this one is.
Hey, where's my cherry?
It was not.
You didn't put my cherry on here. No, I already ate it.
Yeah. Gotta watch out for this guy. He's trying to con me out of cherries. I think the difference is, right off the bat, is this tastes more like custard. So there's a difference between soft serve ice cream and custard. Custard's got egg, excuse me, it's got eggs in it. This definitely tastes more like a frozen custard, which is good. Generous amount of ice cream too. And so far this has been the least expensive one. This was only $5. Where I think the other ones were, one of them was $7. Close at all, closer to $7, but this one's only $5. Hot fudge is more of a chocolate syrup than a hot fudge like the other places have. Still good, but it's not hot fudge.
Maybe it's a little darker hot fudge instead of...
Yep. Well, we'll get back to you after we finish this with our overall review. Okay, so we finished it. What did you think?
It was good. The cherry was really good.
Yeah, obviously, because you try to steal mine. But the difference in this ice cream to stuff we've had before, this, like I said, this is sort of a custardy ice cream.
Yeah.
Did you like this better than the other stuff, or about the same?
No, it's at least 10 points down.
No, it's not 10.
5.
So it was good, but it wasn't as good as some of the other ones?
Yeah, Speculators one was really good.
Okay, so that was the first place we went to. So they did set the bar pretty high.
Yeah.
I mean, this is good ice cream. If you're coming through this area, this is a good place to stop. Lake Placid, yeah, they recommend the place downtown, but let me tell you, right this year, it's all tore up, and I couldn't park the bus anyway. So that's why we skipped that. Came here. But if you're coming through here, there's a great place here, and right across the street is the Tail of the Pup Barbecue. I've eaten there. That's been there forever. That's pretty good too. So make it a day of it. A big meal. All right, so this is the end of day 4, and we're out of here. See you later, YouTube.
Bye.